Cicero, a statesman and a philosopher in ancient Rome, loved solitude. I drank you deeply philosophize why Cicero loved solitude. No explanation is necessary to you. Solitude is different from loneliness. Nobody wishes to be lonely. However, as for you to be more intellectual and rational, you need to be alone. You need to allow your private time. Otium cum dignitate. I drank you to philosophically imagine that you surely need otium cum dignitate. Otium cum dignitate in Latin means leisure with dignity in English. Solitude is a must for you to deepen what you need to do in your daily life. What is the best way for you to realize how you live effectively and gracefully every day, every night? There are two ways for you to live. The one is you just live for you to be praised. In consideration of the realization of your greed to be praised by others, you wish to realize the days you spend to be praised by others. Is it so meaningful? I don't feel it is meaningful. Talking about the second way for you to live meaningfully shall be, you live well in accordance with following a lifelong mission. If and when you live every day according to possession of a lifelong mission, you shall be shining inside and outside. Why? I can tell you why. Because you received life supernaturally. Your life was given to you. Simultaneously, you received intellect. Have you ever philosophized the meaning of intellect? Now, I'd like you to deeply philosophize the meaning of possession of intellect. Now, once again, I'd like you to think of the two. Your life was given to you, and your intellect was given to you. even when you live according to those two possessions, you come to feel you have a lifelong mission to be more intellectual and in the future rational. A person who possesses a lifelong mission is quite powerful to live every day. You don't care much about yourself to be praised or not. Conversely, you care much about how you live in order to carry out a lifelong mission through using the two, your life and your intellect. Otium cum dignitate. You really need solitude for you to do your best to carry out your lifelong mission. You are not going to fly off at a tangent. You do not digress from your lifelong mission. I hope you'll be surely successful in doing so. The lecture shall be finished now.